In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Hostinger domain step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, search for a domain name, compare available options, and complete your purchase without confusion. This is a simple process, but if you follow along carefully, you can save time and avoid common mistakes when choosing your domain. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your Hostinger dashboard. You can do this by visiting Hostinger and signing in with the account you used to create your hosting or account access. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is. Hostinger keeps most of the important tools in one place, and the domain section is where you'll be making this purchase. Now look for the domain section in the dashboard. Once you find it, click on it and then choose the option to get a new domain. This is the part where Hostinger lets you search for a brand new domain name instead of connecting an existing one. If you already have a name in mind for your website, this is where you can start checking whether it's available. Next, type in the domain name you want to buy. Make sure you enter the exact name you're looking for because even small spelling changes can give you different results. After typing it in, click search and wait a moment while Hostinger checks the domain registry. This search will tell you whether the domain is available or already taken. If the domain is available, Hostinger will show you the purchase option so you can move forward. If it's not available, don't worry because Hostinger will usually show you alternative suggestions along with their prices. This can actually be helpful if you're open to slightly different versions of your original idea. You may find a domain extension or a name variation that works even better for your brand. Take your time and review the options carefully. Look at the price, the extension, and how professional the name looks. A good domain should be easy to remember, simple to spell, and relevant to your website or business. Once you find one you like, click Add to Cart. This adds the domain to your order so you can continue with the checkout process. After that, click Continue to Checkout. At this stage, Hostinger will usually show you a summary of your order, including the domain name, the registration period, and any extras that may be included or suggested. Before paying, double-check everything to make sure the domain name is correct and that you're happy with the length of registration you selected. Now choose your payment method. Hostinger typically offers multiple payment options, so pick the one that works best for you. Once your payment details are entered, click Complete Payment. This final step confirms your purchase and registers the domain under your account. After the payment goes through, your new domain should be successfully added to your Hostinger account. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy a Hostinger domain from start to finish. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and now you can confidently search for a domain, compare alternatives, and check out without getting stuck. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on websites, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.